We've all seen the headlines regarding ransomware and how businesses, charities, and public services are being targeted by cyber criminals. A half of all businesses and around a third of charities have experienced some form of cybersecurity breach or attack in the last 12 months. In this video, I will demonstrate what an attack actually looks like from both the attacker and the victim's perspective. For this scenario, our attacker is located in Stockholm, Sweden, and our victim is located in Birmingham in the UK. Our victim has been chosen using passive reconnaissance techniques. The press and media are excited about a new game-changing technology about to be released by the Cloudbits organization. Our attacker trawls social media platforms and finds a developer that works there. He decides to craft a phishing attack to gain access to the victim's computer. As you can see, our victim has a standard environment where she stores her personal files in the My Documents folder. In addition, she has access to a shared drive where she works with her fellow developers, and this is where the company crown jewels are stored. In Stockholm, our attacker has a machine waiting for a callback from the victim. It is ready to serve files as well as receive any data that we may exfiltrate during our attack. It's a normal working day and Amy logs in to check her email. She sees an email marked urgent where she is asked to review a spreadsheet to confirm its content is correct. Naturally, she opens the attachment to review the figures. She sees a button to enable editing. As she may want to make edits, she clicks on this button. Another button appears to enable content. It is common to have macros in spreadsheets. Despite the warning, Amy clicks on this button too. Unfortunately for Amy, she has just given the attacker access to her computer, and we see a connection is now made to Stockholm. Typing "Who am I" shows that we have remote access to the victim machine with the same privileges as the logged-on user. We can use PowerShell to determine what Amy's machine has access to. We can see her local C and D drives as well as a shared S drive that may be of interest to us. The S drive reveals we have access to a developer's directory. Let's have a look inside. This is great. Amy has access to the information we are looking for. Let's zip up these files and exfiltrate them to our attacker machine in Stockholm. Note that we are living off the land here by utilizing tools that are built into the operating system that allow us to perform these actions undetected. If I check my uploads directory on my attacker machine, I can see that I have access to a zip file. Unzipping this reveals that I have a full copy of the files I wanted access to. Now that I have a copy of the files, I will encrypt Amy's data and demand a ransom in order to decrypt their files. If I look in the Documents folder on Amy's computer, I can see some strange file names appearing. This is rapidly followed by a change in Amy's wallpaper. And finally, we get a pop-up with the ransom demand. Amy's documents are now fully encrypted and cannot be opened. To make matters worse, all of the files in her S drive are also encrypted, impacting her colleagues. All in all, this is a bad day for the Cloudbits organization. In my next video, we'll demonstrate the tools you need to detect and respond to this type of threat. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe to my channel.